folks, my name is Jeff Cater. I'm with Cross Company, and we're here in Knoxville today at the home of our Process Solutions Group. And this building houses all of our inside sales and engineering, our valve automation and repair, our UL 508A listed panel shop, and our brand new Growth Authorized Repair Dealer Center, or GARD Center. Come on in, we'll take you around. Okay, now we're in the GARD Center, a section of our Knoxville facility where we do valve repair of all sorts of tank protection devices, such as emergency relief valves, blanket gas regulators, and pipe-away relief valves. But right now we're going to take a look at Junior Little, our service manager, start pre-testing, disassembling, and repairing of a low-pressure pressure vacuum relief valve.
These are not code stricken at this time as such as a safety relief valve, but these are tank protection, so this is for environmental protection as well as reliability of your tank. So for these are just as important in my opinion as a safety relief valve to ensure that the plant is operating efficiently and it is in environmental compliance. If one of these were to fail as far as vacuum, the tank could implode, which would suck the tank in. And if on the pressure side of the device, if it was to fail, the tank could explode and actually rip the tank apart or blow the top off the tank. Well, to be a GARD center, we had to pass certain certifications from Growth. Our technicians are factory trained, and our test stand is certified by Growth that they manufactured for us. We also have many different procedures that we have to follow for Growth for their repair. Even though we are a GARD center, we can work on other manufacturer vents. We would use OEM parts, and we would still follow strict test procedures as we do this repair and testing. Here at our facility, we send a special report out with every device that we repair. We'll have a repair traveler that will accompany the device through the whole repair process. At the end of the repair process, we would send an official report describing the pre-test data, the repair data, and then the final testing data and all set points. And that would also comes with photos of showing the as found condition and as left condition of the device. Like I said before, our test stand was built by Growth and it is factory certified by Growth. A lot of other repair centers probably do not have a stand like we do. We do use calibrated gauges, and those are calibrated on a 6-month to a yearly interval. If there's a device comes in that can't be repaired, we have the capabilities at this site with our engineering inside team that we can run certain calculations and we can replace it with our manufacturer of Growth, and we would go to the customer and give them that option. We would then provide a calculated report to them showing the calculations that support that change.
So there you have it, folks. Cross's GARD Center, where we repair all kinds of low-pressure vents and valves with the same high-quality service and documentation you would expect from the manufacturer. If you'd like more information, please visit our website at crossco.com or give us a call, 800-332-3418.